Hi, this is Ms. Smith, and in today's lesson we're going to cover discount. Our objective for today is to solve real-life problems involving discounts. Let's get started. Now, many of you are already familiar with the idea of a discount, and I mean, who doesn't like a good discount? Just as a reminder, the discount is the amount of money that a price goes down because of a sale. Now, many of you guys are going to be going shopping on Black Friday, either online or to the store. And why? Well, because everything that you like, a lot of the things that you like are going to be on sale. Well, how do you calculate the discount? How do we find out how much money we're going to take off the original price? Well, to calculate discount, it's actually very, very similar to how you calculate markup. To calculate discount, you're going to rewrite your percent discount as a decimal by moving that decimal 2 spaces over to the left. Once you have your discount decimal, you're going to multiply that times the original price, and that will give you the discount, the amount of money that you're going to take off of the price to reduce the price so that you can buy it at a cheaper price. Well, that cheaper price is called the sales price. The sales price is just the original price that you were going to pay minus the discount. All right, I think we're ready for an example. And that means I'm going to shout out one of our students today. And that student is, let's see who that is. Bada boom, bada bang. There we go. Our example for today centers around our student Dominic. And Dominic, I hear, is a big basketball fan. Now, Dominic's at Big Five Sporting Goods store shopping for a basketball, and basketballs are originally $29.95, but he's in luck because right now they're on sale for 25% off. We are tasked with finding the sales price and rounding that sales price to the nearest tenth. Rounding that sales price to the nearest cent, which would be the hundredths place. All right, let's go ahead and clear all this. Here we go. So we want to find the sales price. Now remember, the sales price is going to be the original price minus the discount, which means we actually have to find our discount first. So let's find the discount. Okay, now the discount, the discount's 25%. Well, that's not $25, just to make sure you understand that. The discount's not $25, it's 25%. So what we need to do is we need to find 25% of the price of the $29.95. Remember, to find a percent of a number, you're going to move that decimal over 2 spaces to the left. In this case, it's 0.25. Of means times, and you're multiplying times the original price of $29.95. All right, let's go ahead and get that calculator out. Go ahead and do it on your own as I do it here. I'm going to multiply 0.25 times $29.95, which gives me 7.4875. Now, I'm not going to round right now. It's best to do all your rounding at the very end. Let me repeat. Any rounding, we're going to save that to the very end so that our answer is as close as possible to the actual answer. If we do rounding in the middle of the problem, it's going to throw our answer off. So once again, we're going to round at the very end. All right, now this is our discount, not to be confused with the selling price. So now that we know the discount, we can find the sales price by subtracting. So let's do this. Sales price. To find this sales price, you're going to take the original price of $29.95 and you're going to subtract the discount of 7.4875. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do that on my calculator. Give me 1 second. All right, in this case, we're going to get 22.4625. Now, this is money, and anytime we have money, we're going to round to the nearest cent, which means we want to know, is this closer to 46 cents or 47 cents. Remember, money has 2 decimal digits. That's why we're looking at the 6, the second decimal digit. All right, we're going to go ahead and round. Since this number next to 6, to the right of 6, is 4 or less, we're going to keep this at 46. So our sales price is going to be $22.46. This is our answer. All right, hope that helped. Go ahead and re-watch this if you have any questions. And thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.